So, take two. I've been busy all morning talking on the phone. I was planning on going out to the garage and look on the E46, but I've been on the phone all morning. So now I am going to look on the engine, take it, make some room for it here and get it ready. There is some things that I'm going to do. I'm going to change the oil pan and the camshaft and the lifters and yes, various other things. But first I have to clean the garage, so not the whole garage, but the space where I'm going to work on it. So I better go. Okay guys, so it's time to start disassembly the V8 LS. Well, this is not an LS, it's an LS LQ4, no, LQ9, no, LQ4, LQ4 from a Suburban, which is going into the E46, so it will become a LS swapped E46. Sounds cool. The plan is to take off the heads and the front cover, to take out the camshaft and the lifters, and then we are going to turn around the engine and we're going to change the oil pan, because I need one who is a little bit smaller, so I hope the one I got is okay for this build. So let's get on. So if you like this kind of videos and content, please let me know. Subscribe, put on notification, share my channel on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever you want, and please follow me build this E46 wagon into a drift car. Always exciting to see what you find in the oil pan. This has a magnet, so you can see here is some dirt, but not. It's a little bit gray. That's not good. Gray, that means just be steel. So the camera died on me yesterday. Not yesterday, but the other day. I got this off the pulley finally, but not without hurting it, so I broke it. I need to buy a new one. So it would be nice to have the tool when I need it. So what's left of this assembly is actually just take out the cam, and then we're going to inspect the bearings. I think we're going to change them. I'm not sure if I already have bought them, but we have to inspect just because I'm curious. Let's go.
Someone's gonna change.
I read somewhere that if you're having troubles with the oil pressure, it could be this gasket, which is the oil channels. The pressure from the pump goes in here, it goes through the engine, it goes over here to the other side. And if you have leakage here, you won't get the same pressure on the right side of the engine. So check this before you assemble it. So if you can see, there is this white metal on the bearings here on the upper side, but when you look on the side facing downwards, it has this brown bronze color. So we might need to change the bearings on the camshaft. I don't think I've ordered those, so I have to check what I have. So let's check the big end bearings and the crankshaft bearing. Hope they are better, because it says a lot of the health on the engine. So I will take out a bearing which is in the back of the engine, which is further away from the oil pump up front.
Someone's gonna change. Someone's gonna change.
So this is piston number 7 from front, bearing number 7. And it actually looks very good, so I don't think I have to worry so much, but I will insert new ones. Okay guys, that's it for this time. In the next episode of this LS E46 build, we will clean some parts and install some new parts, new camshaft, new valve springs, maybe some new lifters, new bearings. Maybe we should measure the bearing clearance also, just to be on the safe side. So I hope to see you on the next episode. Maybe we can get this ready for get it ready.